Hello, friends. This is Natasha and the Cryptemic Academy. In this episode, we will briefly and succinctly cover the main events of the week. Let's go. SUI ETFs started with minimal volumes. The first day of trading for spot ETFs on SUI was weak. The total turnover did not exceed $150,000. In comparison, the debuts of Solana and XRP ETFs were measured in tens of millions. The conclusion is simple. Without a strong ecosystem and demand, an ETF alone does not guarantee liquidity. BitRiver is at risk of bankruptcy. The Federal Tax Service initiated proceedings against the subsidiary due to a problematic $100 million project in Buryatia. Against the backdrop of mining restrictions and debts, the company is facing serious pressure. The Nigerian police warn couriers. After ammunition was discovered in a package, authorities urged e-hailing drivers and delivery services not to transport unverified cargo. Risks for couriers are increasing alongside the development of e-commerce. Engie is exploring mining at a solar station in Brazil. The French energy company is considering Bitcoin mining as a way to monetize excess generation. The decision depends on the price of BTC and the project's economics. Binance removes ALCX and a number of altcoins from margin. Starting from February 26th, a number of assets will be excluded from margin trading. Users are advised to close positions in advance to avoid liquidations. Near launches Ironclaw and GPU Marketplace. The project bets on user-owned AI, private computing, TEE, and decentralized access to GPU instead of centralized clouds. Copper is rising amid demand from China. Futures have gained about 18% since the beginning of the year. Infrastructure, renewable energy, and electric vehicles are forming long-term structural demand. Tether invests in WAP. USDT and USAT are being integrated into a major online marketplace for content creators. The focus is on self-custody and on-chain settlements in the real economy. EU-US negotiations are stalled due to tariffs. Lack of clarity on duties is hindering investments and business planning. The coming months could be crucial. In Egan, a moratorium on data centers and mining is being discussed. City authorities want to assess the load on the energy system before issuing new permits. Phenom launches the first mining fund in Russia. The regulated product will allow investment in Bitcoin mining without direct ownership of the cryptocurrency. The yield will depend on the price of BTC and network difficulty. Starboard pressures Riot, a bet on AI and HPC. The investor demands to accelerate the transition to data centers for AI. The market reacted positively, but future contracts will determine everything. This is where our release comes to an end. Will miners become new AI operators? Will the trend towards tokenization and infrastructure products solidify? And will SUI get a second wind after the weak start of the ETF? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you want to understand the market better and make informed decisions, join the Cryptemic Academy. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next release.